Darwish from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu wa barakatuh.
In programming, random functions are used for optimizing algorithms, making them more efficient. They are also used for a variety of different things. For example, you generate a random number between 1 and 6,000, the number of verses in the Quran approximately, and based on the number it lands on, that information can be used to portray that specific ayah. An example of this is in Quran apps. Same logic is used for AI. For example, you roll a random number between 1 and 3. If it's 1, the AI picks a rock, 2, paper, and 3, scissors. Or in video games where you roll a random number between 1 and 10, and if it's 1, the monster drops a weapon, meaning a 10% chance. Note that these values are arbitrarily chosen, as each integer has an equal possibility of being selected, meaning that you can choose either 2, 3, or 4 to be your chosen number, and it's the same 10%. Overall, randomness is used in almost every software, but I'm inquiring about the permissibility, as it sounds similar to dice, or how the mushrikeen used to base their decisions on random circumstances which have no actual basis. However, in the cases presented, the numbers have no significance, rather they're just used to replicate probability or randomness. Jazakallahu khair.
Wajazak, as if I understood what you've said. Akhi, I dropped university in 1980 because of calculus and because of graphics. I hated calculus and graphics. So you're talking to me about things that are actual nightmare. I can't answer your question, Akhi, on live TV. Not because of the language, but rather because I have to digest it. I have to think about, okay, are these random numbers chosen? Similar to playing the dice, the hadith is about the dice. The justification is not in the hadith. So you don't have the right to say, oh, because it depends on luck. Oh, because it depends on different choosing of the numbers. No, we don't have the right to say this. We say that the Prophet prohibited dice, that's it. And this is why some scholars said that if there is an automated dice picking, something, a random figure or numbers selected digitally and not the actual dice, would that be permissible? Some said yes, because it's not dice. So do we look beyond the hadith and say, oh, dice were haram because of 1, 2, 3? Or should we restrict ourselves to it? This is one option. Now, coming to your issue, I still have to, as I said, contemplate upon it on while drinking a latte and just sitting there and trying to think of the different scenarios so that I could give an answer to that, and Allah knows best.